Good afternoon. Welcome to Daily Currency Update from the Currency Desk. Yesterday we had closed market on account of Gandhi Jayanti, but on Monday we witnessed a 45 paise rally in the Indian rupee against the US dollar. This rally was mainly backed by the weak performance of US dollar against all the global currencies in the global markets. We saw the US dollar index fall up to 79.50 levels. Also, the uncertainty on the eurozone is on the rise again, so we can say that dollar will find a very good support around 52 levels against the Indian rupee. Today we expect the Indian rupee to trade in the range of 52.75 to 52.40 in the spot. Right now there is a strong support at 52.30 levels. If the dollar breaks the 52.30 levels and trades below that, one can well initiate a fresh short at that levels, keeping a target of 51.95 in the spot. In terms of euro, we witnessed some rally in the value of euro against the US dollar as well as the Indian rupee. Even today it's holding strong against the Indian rupee. We had some speculation regarding the Spanish bailout package, and with regards to the Spanish minister being actually announcing a formal request for bailout as soon as this weekend. So based on this data, we witnessed a rally in the value of euro against the US dollar. The rally was capped till 1.2945 levels. Again we see the euro trading at 1.29 levels against the US dollar. So largely the euro INR would follow or piggyback the movement of euro USD. But yes, another support for the euro against the US dollar was the US manufacturing, ISM manufacturing activity, which actually expanded in the month of September as compared to August. So euro against the Indian rupee also seems to be following a bullish trend right now, but it would be safer if one could initiate a fresh long positions above 67.92 levels and keeping a stop loss of around 67.36 in the spot. In terms of pound, which is largely trailing the euro, we witnessed some lag in the movement in the gains of pound against the US dollar. In the last few weeks, we have seen appreciation of the pound against the euro as well as the US dollar, mainly on the basis of some safe haven demand, and we have witnessed all financial institutions actually transferring their money from the uncertain European markets to the UK markets. So this has been one of the major reasons for rally in the Great Britain pound. In the near term, we do not see the pound rallying much above 1.63 levels, and we could see a fall in the pound, but this fall would again be restricted up till 1.6 levels. We had the UK PMI data, construction PMI data on Tuesday, which was just below expectations, though it had improved from the last month, but it was slightly below expectations. So based on this data, again we saw some depreciation in the value of pound. Though our markets were closed, today we have again witnessed around 0.5% fall in the value of pound against the Indian rupee. Also, in terms of UK, we have the net borrowing, net lending for the for the mortgage homes also falling to the lowest level since December 2010. All in all, this indicates weak sentiment in the UK markets. So based on this, we have a bearish trend technically in the Great Britain pound against the Indian rupee, and one can hold their short positions with a strict stop loss of 84.83 in the spot. In terms of USD JPY, we have seen the downside in the JPY being restricted to 79 levels, and we witnessed some depreciation in the value of the Japanese yen, fall in the value of Japanese yen due to the positive US ISM manufacturing data. But again, this fall or the depreciation in the Japanese yen was again recovered. The fall was up till 78.30 levels, but then again this was recovered and currently is trading at 78.14 against the US dollar. So similarly against the Indian rupee also we expect the value of Japanese yen to remain largely sideways, and if we see the USD JPY trading at 79 levels, one can very well initiate a short at that levels. This is mainly because the strong size of the US QE, due to the strong US Federal Reserve's QE3, we can see the value of US dollar falling against the Japanese yen as well, and any fall in the Japanese yen would not be sustainable in the medium term. So all in all, we expect the Japanese yen to fall in value against the Indian rupee. This is mainly because of the weakness in the Indian rupee against the US dollar, in the US dollar against the Indian rupee, sorry. Currently, it would be safer if we can initiate a short below 66.70 levels in the spot, with a strict stop loss of 67.20 and a target at around 66. Thank you.